Okay, today I want to show you how to do very easily in Figma a circle progress bar. We start with a simple circle. We update the stroke, give it a color and a thickness, and ensure that it's set to center. This is important. We remove the background fill. We duplicate for the background and for the foreground. And now you can see how to create an open circle, but this does not really lies. And now here's the trick. Just pull it there. And if we now change the background color, just do 20% opacity, then you already can see. And last thing we want to do, we want to have the round corners, which is simply going here and change that. And now you have a progress bar in Figma, which you can easily change, turn it around, and even change the width of the circle.